The Tripwire Technique is a decision-making strategy designed to help individuals make more deliberate and thoughtful decisions by setting specific trigger points or indicators that prompt a re-evaluation of choices. Start by identifying key decision points or milestones in the decision-making process. These are moments when you'll need to reassess your options or course of action based on new information or changing circumstances. For each decision point, establish specific trigger points or indicators that signal the need for a re-evaluation. These trigger points should be clear, objective criteria that indicate when conditions have changed or when certain thresholds have been reached. Continuously monitor the trigger points as you progress through the decision-making process. Keep track of relevant data, feedback, or developments that may impact the decision. When a trigger point is reached, take the time to re-evaluate your options and reassess the decision based on the new information or circumstances. Consider whether the original decision is still valid or whether adjustments need to be made. Based on the re-evaluation, adjust your course of action as necessary. This may involve modifying your plans, changing priorities, or exploring alternative options that better align with the current situation. The Tripwire Technique serves as a proactive mechanism for staying alert to changes and uncertainties in the decision-making environment. By setting trigger points and regularly reassessing options, individuals can make more agile and adaptive decisions that are responsive to evolving circumstances. By setting specific trigger points that prompt re-evaluation of decisions, individuals become more attuned to the circumstances or conditions that may trigger cognitive biases. These trigger points serve as early warning signs, alerting individuals to the potential presence of biases in their decision-making process. When a trigger point is reached and a decision is reassessed, individuals are forced to reflect on their thought processes and assumptions. This introspective examination can help individuals identify biases that may have influenced their initial decision and consider alternative perspectives or courses of action. The Tripwire Technique encourages individuals to remain flexible and open-minded in their decision-making approach. By regularly re-evaluating decisions based on new information or changing circumstances, individuals are less likely to become entrenched in their positions or succumb to confirmation bias, anchoring, or other biases that hinder objective judgment. Ultimately, the Tripwire Technique promotes adaptive decision-making by encouraging individuals to adjust their strategies in response to feedback and environmental cues. This adaptive approach helps individuals navigate uncertainty, complexity, and ambiguity more effectively, reducing the likelihood of decision-making errors.